of situation that one group wants to wipe out. Today is the ASPCA's Go Orange for Animals Day. NBC 10's Jameson Euler is live along Boathouse Road to explain more about this. Jameson?
Yeah, Tracy, it's very fitting that we're along Boathouse Road this afternoon because tonight it is going to be lit up in all orange along with the Sierra Center and the Ben Franklin Bridge. The ASPCA hopes that you see those orange lights and you'll learn a little bit more about their new campaign. Why are you wearing orange today?
For the celebration.
About?
Dogs.
Don't adjust the color on your set. These kids are all wearing orange and all learning about animal abuse and neglect as part of the ASPCA's national anniversary today called Mission Orange. Every student met animals that have been rescued, like Eileen Wellner's two dogs.
When you adopt a dog from a shelter, you not only save one life, it creates a ripple effect. It opens up a space for the next animal to come in.
The ASPCA's message is to have kindness, compassion, and respect for all animals, a message even these kindergartners seem to understand.
We can help dogs that people can't take care of the dogs anymore.
The ASPCA hopes its National Day of Orange catches on and gets people to adopt animals from shelters, some of which are overpopulated. Ellen Sweetman has done her part now 4 times.
A lot of them are housebroken and they're a lot easier. They just come right into your home and blend.
Nikki Maloney and her family wanted a purebred puppy, and then they found Bear.
It was a minimal fee. He came neutered, which is so important. He came with a microchip. He was house-trained, crate-trained, like the best dog ever. And he just instantly became part of our family.
And back live now, you can see it is all about the orange today, from these orange bracelets to these orange dog leashes that they were passing out today. The ASPCA hopes that one day orange will be synonymous with animal issues the way that pink is with breast cancer. We're live along Boathouse Road. Jameson Euler for all that and more.
All right, Jameson, thanks. We'll look for all the orange tonight. And you can check out the ASPCA's website to see what you can do to help put an end to animal abuse. There's also a host of valuable information on the site for pet owners. It's a great website, lots of information there. Plus, you can find ways to get involved with the ASPCA. So that's the story, but now we've got even more for you. If you're looking for a new dog, please don't hesitate to adopt one from the ASPCA. We've put together a little slideshow of just some of the adoptable dogs who are looking for a loving family and home, so check them out. Those are on our website. And if those still photographs of those cute little pups aren't enough to persuade you to head down to the SPCA, check out Tamada and Vince's Pet Love Connection video on our website. Go to the All That and More page, look under features. It will have you feeling warm and fuzzy all over. On the Health Watch Daily